So d squared y over dx squared equals the second derivative of y. So the first step is to find the derivative of y equals 5 cosine of x to the fourth squared. So you have to find the cosine. That would be y prime negative 5 sine of x squared over 2 times, it would be 2x to the third. So after you have this, you have to multiply this times this. So the first derivative would be negative 10 x to the third times sine of x squared over 2. So after finding the first derivative, the second step is to find the derivative of that. That would be the second derivative. So to find the derivative of this, we need to use the product rule, that is b prime times u plus u prime times b. In this case, b would be negative 10 x to the third, and b prime would be negative 30 x to the second, and u would be sine of x to the fourth over 2, and u prime would be cosine of x to the fourth over 2 times 2x3. So we need to plug it in the formula. That would be y prime double prime negative 30 x to the 2 sine times x to the fourth over 2 plus negative 10 x to the third times cosine of x to the fourth over 2 times 2x3. After this, we need to simplify. That would be y double prime equals negative 30 x to the second sine of x to the fourth over 2 minus 20x 6 times cosine times x to the fourth over 2. That would give us this. To fully simplify, we need to do this. It would be, we take out negative 10 x times x to the 2, and we'll take out this and this. So it will give us 3 sine of x to the fourth divided by 2 plus 2x to the fourth cosine times x to the fourth over 2. And this would be the final answer. Conclusion: after I finished the problem that I got, I think that I learned a lot this semester about all the derivatives, and this is a clear example of what I learned. And I think that it's really important for us to learn this because we're going to use it all across our lives. This is a new beginning, and I think it was really good this semester.